Sairam everyone and welcome to our social science class. Yes, today I'm not going to teach you any lesson, any new lesson, nor we are going to do with any revision work. So, what are we going to do? We are going to do some map over here, map activity. I'm sure that every month must be having map books with you all. Okay, so today we are going to do some map. We will begin with history map. We all have studied French Revolution, right? I taught you this lesson. We all are familiar with this map, right? The map you see on your monitor. What does this map tell us? It tells us about the Great Fear in France. In the French Revolution, we saw that the peasants, they became violent and they started attacking manor and chateaus of landlords. And landlords were very scared. Okay, this spread in many parts of the country. In France, this bands of peasants spread from one point to another. This is what this map tells us. This is what it shows us. Okay, now see this map. See the index of the map. Can you see the index of the map? Yeah, this map is there in your test book. Okay, now what does the green shaded area tells us? This green shaded area in the map tells us that or shows us the region that are not affected by the Great Fear. Not affected, I'm telling you. Okay, now see the pink shaded area. This area, this pink shaded area tells us about the agrarian revolt early in 1789. Okay, there is a circle, bubble circle, that is the epicenter of main panic movements. And those arrows that tells us from that particular epicenter how the Great Fear has spread to different points or different parts of the city. Can you see this? Yeah, very good. So now, okay, we will do this activity, this locating. We will locate some few places, okay, in our map activity book. So children, let's learn to do the maps. Locate different places. Okay, children, we do have this map in our history textbook, that is on page number 9. Lesson number 1, French Revolution. You can do this map in your map activity book, that is page number 46 and 47. So, let's see the questions. Question, what is given over here? Question number 1 is, on the outline map of France, locate and label the following. Question number A is, Brest, region not affected by the Great Fear. And B is La Fort, that is epicenter of the main panic movement. So 2 questions we have. Question A and question B. Now come on, let's see how to locate it. Okay? So now children, okay, let's locate. So what was our question number A? Brest, region not affected by the Great Fear. So let's see, where is this region? Here, I'll zoom it. Yeah, I got it. Brest, this region. The first thing what I'm going to do is, I'm going to draw an arrow. Yeah, fine, good. Now, this was question number A. So, I'll write A in the bracket. Very good. What is the name of the place? Brest. So I'll mention the name here. You have to write proper question number and the region, name of the region you're locating. So there's no need of index over here. But these two things should be mentioned when you're locating on a map any region. Got it? Things are clear? Now let's move on to question number B. La Forte, epicenter of the main panic movement. First, let me see where is this region. Yes, I'll zoom a bit. I got it. Yeah. I'll take my brush. Yeah. Now I'll draw an arrow. Yes. I'll draw the symbol. Bubble the circle. Yeah. Now on the arrow, this is question number B. So I will mention it in bracket. Now name of the region, I'll write it little smaller. Okay, there's no place for me. Yeah, I have tried it. Now this we are showing epicenter. So we need to show regions from where from La Forte this great fear has spread. So here I'll draw, yes, one arrow over here. Yes, and one more. So from La Forte, it has spread to these three regions. So this also you got to show when you're doing this map, when you're showing epicenter. Don't forget it. Okay, children, I'm sure you got it. So again, when you're locating a region, you need to mention the question number and name of the place. So we have done with history. Now, let's move on to geography. Yeah, let's talk about geography. Now, let's see the questions that we are going to do for geography. So, question number C here, the question given here is, on the outline map of India, locate and label the following. First one is, we are using small Roman number over here. So the first question is east-west extent, and the second question is the strait separating Sri Lanka from India. Now let's see the map of India. Yes, here is the map. Now it is already done for you over here. Just see. It is already done for you. You got to, there's a line drawn from extreme east to west. Okay? And also kilometers are mentioned. So let's do it over here right now. Okay? So this is map of India, right? Now we have to show Park Street. So first I'll zoom a bit. Yes, can you all see? Now I'll take my brush, I'll circle it. Now it is visible. Clear? Now let's locate it in our map. I'll take another map. Yes. Now I'll locate first thing. I'll draw a arrow. Very good. We are going to draw an arrow. Now what we have to do? We have to write the question number, name the strait. What it is? Park Strait. Yes, children. So this is the way you're going to do your map activity in your map book. For geography, you're going to do this map in your activity book, same activity book which you're using for history. For geography, your page number is page number 10 and page number 11. For history, page number was 46 and 47. Don't forget that. Okay, now let's talk about the diagram. Plate boundaries. This is from your geography lesson. Chapter 2, that is physical features of India. Okay, it is there in your geography textbook, chapter 2. Now, children, I'm going to give you some assignment. Okay, you are going to do it. I'll explain it to you what it is. I'll begin with history. Okay, your question number 1 is, on the outline map of France, locate and label the following. Okay, same map I'm talking about. You all are going to locate Toulouse, this region not affected by the Great Fear. Same map you are going to take just now what we did for history. Okay, our question number B is Lohans, epicenter of the main panic movement. Okay, so here we are having two questions, question A and B. Okay, these two regions you are going to locate in your map activity book. Page number I have already mentioned, that is page number 46 and 47. Okay, now I'll move on to geography. Okay, now here also we will be doing map. On the outline map of India, locate and label the following. First one, standard meridian of India. Okay, you're going to show this standard meridian of India. 82 degrees 30 minutes east. Standard meridian of India passes through Mirzapur, that is in Uttar Pradesh. Draw it and write there. Question number 1. That is small. You're going to write small Roman number in the bracket and you're going to write there standard meridian. Is that clear? So you're going to show it. Our next question is, question number 2 is Tropic of Cancer. We all know Tropic of Cancer divides our country into two equal parts. So again, you're going to draw a line, okay, and write there question number 2 and Tropic of Cancer on the line, okay. And our third question is north-south extent. How we did east-west extent, same way you're going to do north-south and mention the kilometers. All this map is there in your, in your textbook, geography textbook, lesson number 1 if I'm not wrong. Okay, and even in your activity book you will get this maps. Okay, so children, you all are going to do this maps, fill in all the details. You're going to write all the... one more thing I forgot to tell you. You're going to draw. Question number 2 of geography is you're going to draw a diagram of plate boundaries. Just now I showed you. It is there in your textbook. Okay, chapter 2. Again and again I'm repeating. You can draw this. If you have your assignment sheet, you can draw it in assignment sheet or any page or any notebook you have to draw it. Now what you're going to do after doing this map of history, geography and this diagram, you're going to click picture. Okay, you're going to click it. You're going to click a photo, then convert it into PDF. Again, I'll repeat. First, you're going to take, scan picture, scan photo of all your assignment, your maps, your diagram, okay, with all details. Before taking the photo, you're going to fill in all the details, okay, and then you'll take a scan photo, convert the same into PDF, and this PDF you'll be forwarding to your teacher through WhatsApp. You're going to use WhatsApp for forwarding this assignment, this PDF assignment. Is that clear? And your submission date is 14th of this month, 14th August. Yeah, children, you have to strictly follow all instructions given. Please see to it you all follow all in the instructions that are given. Okay? So, start working and keep your assignment ready. Forward it to your teacher. Thank you. Take care.